ang pagpaparte-partihin yung lupa, ang pagpaparte-partihin mo yung means of production. Ang issue kasi rito, hindi lang yung distribution yung productivity. Yung productivity. So what did we do? We have extended the program for 2 years na. For 2 times na. No? Centerpiece program, Brad. Centerpiece program, no? Of the mother of the president. Diba? At sinabi no na yung Hacienda Luisita, not even 2 hours from here, 3 munisipyo yan 3 municipalities. 6,000 hectares. 6,000 farmers. Nag-stock distribution option. Binigyan sila ng papel. Diba? So, kayo may-ari nito. Pero pagharap nila dun sa abogado, nung Hacienda Luisita Incorporated, pag sabi nung abogadong, sorry, hindi kayo kumita. Ano gagawin mo sa papel? Diba? So, nagdesisyon na ang Supreme Court. Tama na yung stock distribution. Ibigay na ninyo yung lupa. Now, okay. Democracy to me, Brad, is not 51%. No? It's choice. Kaya galit na galit tayo sa mga diktador dahil hindi tayo binibigyan ng choice. Diba? Choice. Give them ownership. And then, educate them. Tapos, mabilis. Organize them into agrarian reform communities. Then, support them. Dito sa huling extension, we increased the support services from 25% to 40%, including legal support, including credit facilities. Para naman may laban, patas naman ang laban.